Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video by Ross Perry Productions. Well, today I have a 2010 Ford Falcon. This is the G6 model, and one of the things that people don't realise is there is actually a cabin air filter for the air conditioning system. Now these can often get blocked and need to be either changed or replaced, or you can actually just clean them. So in this video I'm going to show you where it is located on this car. So the first thing we're going to do is come over to the passenger side, or the left hand side of the vehicle. Just come down. What we're going to do, open up the glove box, then just up here there is a lever. Push that away and then that'll actually allow you to drop the glove box all the way down. So if you can just see that there, you're just going to push that away, drop that all the way down. Now just inside you've got this black cover. It actually says open and close on it, so all you're going to do, push that to the left and pull that away. You can put that down there for now. Now there's this little tab here, give that a pull, then that is your cabin air filter. As you can see, there's quite a lot of debris in here, so I'll probably recommend that this one is replaced, but for now you can just whack it on the wheel or something, clean it out. You could get a vacuum cleaner or a hoover in there. As you can see, this one's got a lot in it. There we go. Once you've made sure you've cleaned it enough, like I say, this one needs replacing, we're just going to go ahead, pop it straight back in, making sure the arrow is facing up. Get your back plastic, it hooks in the top first, then rotates around, making sure that locks into place and can't go anywhere. Then you lift your glove box straight up, push that hook in and close it, making sure it's all okay. And there we go, that's how easy it is to remove and replace or clean the cabin air filter on a 2010 Ford Falcon. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.